guys, it's Mr. Foxy, and today we're gonna be playing this. Yeah, it's kind of like a ninja game. I kind of went ahead, so let's dive into this, shall we? Stealth. Of course, I need stealth. Shoot, still. Oh my God! Please don't tell me he saw me. Shoot. Oh, I saw you try to get me there. Shit. Oh my God. Don't tell me. Oh shit. You're fucked. Woo! Oh my God, how do you not see me? Oh my God, how do you not see me? I cannot walk that way, fuck. Let's just sneak past him. Woo! Try to give me that.
Win real money.
I hate my life now. What's this? Oh, come on, I hate this. I hate ads. What about y'all? Yeah. Oh shit. I keep going slide to the left, slide to the right. Chomp that thing down. Oh! None of y'all even saw me coming. Let's do this. Okay. What? Now what do I want? A bandage. I want a bandage. That's all I want. Okay. Go slow. Okay, let's go. Shit, don't tell me. Oh, God, don't tell me so. I just literally broke through the whole thing. Don't tell me I just did that. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, that thing was moving. How do you not see that? Woo! Go. Yes! I won't keep recording until I get to Alright, let's go. Go slow. Oh shit! Oh no! Run. Go. Just keep going. That's it. Just keep going. That's it. The secretary of the power went out. Sorry. What? I think I'll get another bandage. Because getting healed is better. Okay, let's do this. do I go through that? Shit. That hurt the hell out of me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Go that way. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. My butt's gonna hurt now. Why did I say that? I literally... Oh, 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 shit. You go, go, go. Don't get caught. Don't get caught. I'm almost dead. Oh, shit. Oh! Let's go! If I have to go through the ads, you are too. That's it. No! Oh, no! I do not give a fuck about money. I was just talking to my dog. That's it. Alright, let's get used to this. Okay. Let's go. Now it's time for them to die. Best singing skills ever. Oh! Fudge. Fudge dip, chocolate coconut. Oh! I am so dead. I am so dead. I am so freaking dead. I'm so dead. I am so dead. I am so dead. Yep, I'm dead. How did I not die? Please, get another. Please. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. No ad. Please, no ad. No ad. No ad. Please. No ad. Ooh, ooh. What? Okay. Oh, wait. Bandage. That's enough for health. Now, let's get to the boss. I'll just continue. Well, I've been recording this for 9 Welcome to Touchdown Glory. Just wait for it. There we go. Welcome to Touchdown Glory. Yes, I got ahead of y'all. Yes, I got ahead before I started recording. But, sorry. Yes, my team name is called Android because I am on an Android. Don't judge. Let's play. play. I'm going against the muck, whatever that's called. I'm going to call it the muck shits. Ooh. Sorry, YouTube. Let's go. My game's so laggy. Right there, right there. Go, 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 go.
What you playing?
Touchdown Glory.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Go right there. Go, go, go. I think you can make that. You can make that. What the? Okay. You can do that, can't you? Hold on, my team's, oh my god, my phone is like glitchy as hell. I'm just gonna play this last game for y'all. Sorry. I'm so bored. Yes, I kind of make a couple of recordings. Usually I just kind of like making beats. Yeah, it's still recording. Okay. Let's do this. No, I do not like that sound. No. What the hell's that? Fuck. Nope.
Yeah, got a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. I'ma make it burn. Yeah, got a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime. It is so hot, I gotta pay.
The game's just called, I gotta stop recording. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh, don't forget to.
And comment if you want me to play that Bed Wars, because I really like that game.
Wait, hold on. I just want to. Tomorrow we're playing Roblox.
And the next video I make will be 2 days later, and I might make Roblox. I will make a Roblox video for y'all.
Like a Hellcat.